Do you want to know how you can log into your Heartland Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Heartland Payroll account. Go ahead and search for Heartland Payroll login on your browser and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page of Heartland where you can see sign in over here. Click on sign in. After verifying if you are a robot or not, this page will open up. Now you can see the email address and password over here. What you need to do now is write down your email address over this box and write down your password in the next one. Make sure that you check your email address and password. You can click on so and see your password. After you write down your email and password associated to Heartland Payroll, go ahead and click login. This way you can successfully log in to your Heartland Payroll account. If you have in case forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. And if you don't have an account yet, register now. I hope this video about how you can log into your Heartland Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.